So I just finished an oil change service here on the Vettore. Service light is still on from the previous time. So I've been told if I do back and up for 3 seconds, it's going to make that switch or that wrench disappear. So here, so back and up, 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that, it just switched now. So now we need to come in and find, let's go into settings, set, info. There it is. Next service, 3,106 miles. Well, that's it. We've now effectively reset the service light. 3,106. That's a weird number. Anyway, we're done. Back to our main scene, and our service light is gone. I'm Carl Bradshaw. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, take care. Ride safe out there.